Nagsimula yung Puso sa Puso noong 2008. Grupo kami ng mga photographers na nagpunta sa Parola sa may Binondo, Manila. Tapos para lang kumuha ng litrato, mapakita, malaman ko ano yung kondisyon ng buhay nila dun sa Parola. Tapos na-realize namin na parang di nabibigyan ng pagkakataon sa nakatulad ng mga ordinaryong bata. Kaya sabi namin, bigyan namin ng Christmas party.
Mahirap sa umpisa, syempre. Maghanap tayo ng iba pa nating pwedeng makasama para matuloy itong Puso sa Puso.
Children of First Parola, they were in great need. So when Father Artur told me that we are doing something for the children, I thought, well, I cannot miss this great opportunity. I have to be part of it.
Because Padre Artur, he come in my restaurant, he asked me to help him to give us some, make some food for the children, for 50 children. That happened in 2008. I said, why only 50? Why we don't make 500? So we start like this.
Marami naman kaming nakuhang mga sponsor na tumulong sa amin. So, at least kahit papano na nakayanan namin yung una naming event para sa Puso sa Puso.
And a year later in Pasig, because I said, I'm not happy only 500, let's make 5,000.
Yon, isang taong preparasyon. We had like 1,000 volunteers, 5,000 children, all in one place.
It was a big challenge. We found several problems, but in the end we done. There is a lot of people volunteer help us, sponsor also, no?
Hindi ganun kadali pala mag-organize. Nandun yung takot mo na baka may masaktan, baka magkagulo. Unang-una, syempre, security. Eventually, sa tulong pa rin ng napakadaming volunteers, napakadaming sponsors na may puso para sa mga batang mahihirap, na itaguyod namin yung party na yun. Kaya yun talaga yung, syempre, pinakamadaming bata, 5,000. So, hindi talaga basta-basta makakalimutan. Pinakamasaya, pinaka-successful.
Nung gumawa kami ng wishes for the kids, nakita namin yung mga wishes nila. Nakakataba ng puso kasi yung wishes nila hindi lang talaga para sa sarili nila, kundi para talaga sa family. Masarap yung pakiramdam na makatulong ka in a very simple way of giving smile.
Of course, I'm very happy when I see the children. I do my best, I work hard to give more I can to them. I want to see them smile.
Hindi po para sa amin, kundi para sa mga bata na binibigyan natin ng pagkakataon na kahit minsan sa isang taon makakita ng clown, makakita ng nag-a-acrobat na hindi naman nila nakikita sa pang-araw-araw. Sa TV lang nila nakikita yon.
You know, the life is so hard, especially for them. So we try to do something, relaxing time, to don't think about the problem of the life.
Well, I think for every person who wants to do something meaningful in life, he cannot just do something for himself, and also he cannot do something for money. You know, you have to do something for others. So that's part of things that we do because we want to share what we are. We want to share our joy. We want to share a little bit of ourselves. So to be part of that is just to be sharing our lives with them and their lives with us.
Sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin hanggang sa ngayon, simula nung nag-umpisa kami, maraming salamat.
Dear friends, we're gonna wait you for the Christmas party on 2012. Please come, many help us because we want to build up a future of these children. We need you, and the children need us.
I wanted to say thank you because another year we were successful somehow. And definitely it will be not possible without so many people who help me. Sponsors who always are there to be on our side and support financially that we can really do these things every year. This is the 4th year we are doing. As well, many volunteers who are coming every year, many of them since the beginning are with us. All Salvatorians who were here, we were more than 100 people, sisters, brothers, lay Salvatorians, fathers as well. And I think you feel the spirit of our founder, you feel the spirit of Christmas when we are together, because that's what Christmas is about, being together and experiencing presence of Christ among us. And for all those things, I want to say thank you.
Para sa mga sponsors na taon-taon walang sawang tumutulong sa Puso Edukasyon Incorporated, kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyo. See you next year.